Good evening all. Welcome to SS Creations. Now we are going to see about what is the outcome of the Reliance AGM meet. This is going to be the third video for the day. Thanks for supporting guys. Keep continuing. If you like the video, hit on the like button. If you still not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel. If you feel these videos are very useful, do share it with your friends and family. So you can also be benefited and your friends and family can also be benefited. In this video, we are going to see what are all the outcomes of the Reliance AGM meet, and also we can think whether we have to invest in Reliance or whether we have to hold Reliance or we have to book the profit in the Reliance shares. And I will tell you at the end of the video what I am planning to do with respect to the Reliance stocks. The first thing is very good news for each and every one of us with respect to the 5G. They have developed all the internal suppliers and sourcings with respect to the 5G. All the hardwares are going to be made in India. So they are going to bring affordable 5G technology. They are going to bring it in India. So Jio is going to work with Google Cloud to work on 5G. That is the first news. And second is going to be similar to the 5G. They have made the softwares for 5G, hardwares, everything. Now they are going to give the complete connectivity in India for 5G. What next? You require a handset, correct? So they are going to make an affordable handset for each and every one of us for with 5G technology. They are going to partner again with Google. It is going to be an Android based mobile. It will have Jio apps and also Google apps. Google Assistance will be used in the particular mobile. It is going to be a complete touch mobile, unlike that 4G small device which they gave. This is going to be a complete touch screen mobile, and all the cameras, all features will be available in that particular phone. This phone is going to be launched on September 10th in India, and later they will be selling it in other part of the world as well. So they also have export ideology in their mind with respect to the mobile phone. Third topic, which is very key, is Jio is now partnering with WhatsApp. JioMart is partnering with WhatsApp, and they are planning for a good retail business, and they hope the retail business will go 3x in coming years. Approximately 33% increase year on year is what they are expecting from the Reliance retail. Fourth important news is going to be with respect to the energy sector. Reliance have planned 75,000 crore rupees to be invested in the next 3 years in green energy. They are also planning for hydrogen fuel, renewable energy, lithium ion battery manufacturing, and oil and chemical business. Most of the fund for the green energy will be diverted from oil and chemical business. This is one of the key takeaways. And they have not spoken anything about splitting of Jio or splitting of energy business. So they are going to keep every business intact under the same banner of Reliance. And I happened to hear one more news with respect to manufacturing of electric vehicle by the Reliance. They are going to make some two-wheelers and three-wheelers. They are going to focus on two-wheelers and three-wheelers, but I am not sure how far that is true. That news has to be verified. I recently saw it before shooting this particular video. So I will just verify how true that particular news is, and I will give you a clarification on that in the next video which we post with respect to the stock market. So Reliance is expecting a very good growth, basically into energy sector as well as in chemical sector as well as in Jio phones and 5G technology. And Reliance retail is also expected to grow 3 times more than how it grows right now. So overall, complete good news with respect to Reliance. In last AGM, they were discussing upon they were going to introduce 5G. None of us believed that 5G technology will come to India that fast, but they have very good future focused people in their company, and they are moving with the future focus very well. and hopefully this AGM meet whatever they have declared, they will be able to achieve. Now, okay, Reliance has given a very good AGM meet, and they have given a very good business focus in their mind. So whether we can go ahead and invest everything into Reliance right now and expect a good return 3 years down the line? No. Again, the risk management should be in place whenever you invest in any stocks. Yes Bank was also a very good stock. DHFL was also a very good stock. There are many very good stocks which has gone from its peak to nowhere right now. So investing on stocks is highly risky unless you do a proper systematic investment method, irrespective of what their AGM outcome is or irrespective of how good their business does. It is all, we have to have a proper risk mitigation plan. And Nifty is at all-time high. Reliance PE is very high right now. So it is not that we have to go ahead and invest our entire capital into Reliance and wait and watch whether the Reliance just goes and we will get 50-60% return every year on year. No, please don't do all those things. Have a systematic investment plan. Allocate 20% for Reliance in whatever capital you have. Do a systematic investment. If it goes down further, add 20 more percent. If it goes further, 20 more percent you add into the market. And so what you would have done is, whenever the Reliance has come down, you would be keeping on averaging it at the bottom. So when it reverses and it starts to go high, you can immediately start seeing the profit. Else, if you go ahead and put your entire capital, for example 1 lakh into a Reliance today, tomorrow the market itself crashes 10%, Reliance will obviously fall 10%. So put money intelligently, invest in stocks intelligently, do a systematic investment method that will alone give us good return on investment. So if you ask my view on Reliance, I'm personally going to start investing in Reliance month on month, slowly. I'm not going to put my entire capital into it right away. Whenever the market falls, whenever I see the correction, I would keep adding more Reliance stock slowly and steadily, like how I do in other stocks and other mutual funds. So this is what is Reliance AGM outcome, and this is what is my view on Reliance and how I'm going to invest. I have told you. Now it is up to you. You decide whether you want to invest in Reliance. Do your own analysis before any kind of investments that you do. And if you want to invest, make your own risk management criteria. Do analyze your financial advisor and invest properly and systematically to make good return on investment. If you like the video, do hit on the like button. If you have still not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe. If you feel the video is very good, do share it with your friends and family so they will also be benefited. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.